Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, in what order elements will be stored in ArrayList? Let me answer. Elements in ArrayList will be stored in the same order in which they are added to the ArrayList. Okay, let's say you have added one element to the array list. That first element, okay, that is added to the array list will be stored in the first position. The second element added to the array list will be stored in the second position. Third element added to the array list will be stored in the third position. The same order in which you have added the elements to the array list, the same order in which the elements will be stored in the array list. Okay, no changes. There is a concept known as indexing concept in array list, because of which the same order is maintained. Okay, the first element that you add to the array list will be stored at the index 0. The second element you add to the array list will be stored at the index 1. So because of this indexing concept, array list will store the elements in the same order in which they are added to them, okay, or to the array list. Let me practically demonstrate this for you. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE and create a new class. I'll just give some random name for this class. I've right clicked on this package and now I have to create a new class. I'll select new class. I'll just name this class with some random name. Let's say class 10. With main method, I'll create. Inside the main method, I'm going to create an array list. Okay, here I'm going to create an array list like array list. Array list, a list is equal to new array list. Like this, I'll create an object for the array list. Over the mouse on the array list and import this array list from java.util package. Now I have to specify the type of objects I would like to store into this array list by specifying the less than greater than symbols, and between the less than greater than symbols, let's say I would like to specify integer. I would like to store integer objects into this array list. Now I would like to add the elements to the array list. Okay. A list, that is object reference of the array list dot add. And here I would like to add the value 9. A list dot add of, let's say 9, 5. A list dot add of 7. A list dot add of, let's say 1. A list dot add of 6. A list dot add of 0. A list dot add of, let's say 8. Like this, I have added some elements. The order in which I have added these elements to the array list, in the same order they will be stored in the array list, guys, because this element will be stored at the index 0, this one at the index 1, this one at the index 2. Okay, because of the indexing concept, the order in which you are adding the elements to the array list, the same order in which they will be stored into the array list, guys. If I print out this array list, system.out.println, if I print out this array list using the object reference, right click run as Java application, observe that the order in which you have added the elements to the array list, same order they will be printed in the output console. You see, first element is 9. You see, they are stored in 9 is stored in the first position. Fifth, second element 5 added to the array list, it got stored in the second position. 7, third element 7, third position only. Okay, 1, then 6. Same order, you see, the same order in which the elements got stored into the array list. Okay, the order in which you have added the elements to the array list, the same order in which they'll be stored in the array list. Okay, the memory of the array list. So hope guys you got the answer for this question with practical demonstration. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.